is AMD. AMD, yeah, I mean, this was something that I was looking at, this trend line here, which is also like a neckline here, right? So we did break below that neckline on Thursday. Friday we have an inside candle. The measured move here, obviously, right? Like this is, so when you look for the measured move, you look for it from the um, neckline to the head, right? Like that's the measured move. So that's the measured move that you're looking for. So somewhere close to 125 is what I'm thinking is the move. It won't happen next week per se, obviously. I do think they will have bad earnings to see that kind of move, because you do have good support at around, you see this one here, you have good support at around 151. So yeah, I mean, any executable trades here, you need to see 165 broken down on the daily. That's where you will see a pretty drastic move towards 160 and then 151. Yeah, 160 breaks, it's definitely 151. There's no doubt in that. So keep an eye out for that 165 level. Scale out at 160, roll up into longer dated puts at 160 on the break and close of 160. Those are your levels that you want to look for on the downside on IWM. I don't have any upside theory here yet on IWM. If it changes, I'll give you an update midweek and we'll talk more about that.